through clearing. Studying medical sciences with USW will set me up much better for a career working as a doctor in the NHS. I had struggled in school. I'm hard of hearing and I have ADHD, which was missed until about 2 or 3 years ago. So I always thought that I was just stupid. Always wanted to work in healthcare, but I just thought that I just wasn't the person for it. I completed the access course with the goal of med school, but when I didn't get my spot on results day, I was absolutely gutted. I'm devastated, and I did just sort of sit there for a bit and think, like, oh my goodness, clearing was the best thing that I could have done. To have called USW, to be within an hour, pretty much enrolled on the course. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. To then think, okay, like there's the path. I'll just go down this one instead. It was a relief, and they were so helpful. I'm glad that it has worked out this way, because this course will set me up much better for a career